welcome to episode 3 of How to Do Retire. I'm Art, and this is my friend Turbo, who happens to have retired at exactly the same time that I did.
And great stuff so far.
Thanks. If you missed any of the other episodes, you can find a link at the end of this video or in the description. But so far, we've talked about housework and a daily retirement plan.
So what else is there to this retirement thing?
Great question. Today's episode, redeem your points.
Redeem your points. Okay, got it. Wait, what?
Okay, I'll explain. So through our career, through our lives, we accrue things like points and miles and credits. These seemingly valuable but not quite tangible things. Fly an airplane, get miles. Sleep in a hotel, get nights. Buy gas at a gas station, get S&H green stamps. Okay, so I'm dating myself a little bit with the green stamps. But when I was a kid, if you spent money at a gas station, at an department store, at a supermarket, you got these little S&H green stamps. And you put them in stamp books.
I remember those.
Right? And when you had enough stamp books, you redeemed them for stuff. And the stuff was found, of course, in the S&H idea book.
Like this portable 8-track player.
Great choice. Now this is one of those memories from childhood that I'll probably never forget. But I'll be honest with you. Until doing the research for this video, I had no idea what S&H stood for.
Oh, it stands for, I don't know.
I could tell you, but you could also go look it up and do the research yourself and get credit for your 1 hour of cogitating time in your retirement daily plan. Learn something new. Okay, so throughout our careers and our lives, we've collected all these green stamps, and hopefully you've redeemed them for something before the mid-'80s when they went out of business. But we've accrued these other things. We've accrued miles, we've accrued points, we've accrued credits. And in retirement, it's time to go redeem some of them and spend some of them. And I know it's hard. Now, my wife has often accused me of being a hoarder with my miles and my points. And let's be honest, we like seeing those stamp books fill up. We like seeing that total number of miles or that total number of nights go up. But be careful. Don't let these things get to the point where they're so...
You know, retirement is kind of the perfect time to get something for all the effort you put into collecting those miles, those points, and those green stamps. It's time to grab that idea book and pick something out. Not literally the S&H green stamp idea book, but your idea book, your wish list, your bucket list. Now, there's another dimension to this redeem your points thing that I've come to find out lately. You know, we collect a lot of other things in life as well. We collect experiences, we collect knowledge, we collect wisdom, maybe. We have successes, and yes, we have failures that we learn lessons from. You need to find a way to redeem those things as well.
How do you do that?
Well, actually, it's easy. You share those with others. You know, find a way so that others can benefit from your experience, your knowledge, your wisdom. They can learn from your mistakes and maybe even avoid those themselves, or perhaps they can follow your path to success.
Any ideas on how to get started?
Well, one way is become a mentor. You know, there's lots of opportunities, local school groups, community groups where you can do that, your alma mater. Just do some research online and you'll find that there are places you can sign up to do some mentoring for others. Or perhaps write an article or maybe even make a video.
Ooh, I can do that.
I'm sure you could. Well, that'll wrap us for now for this episode. Thanks for watching. And hey, if you have any ideas on how to redeem points, go ahead and leave those in the comments. We'll see you next time. Take care.